Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Wendy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. So today I'm just gonna give you guys a really quick come with me clean my beauty room, because since I moved in my house I kind of fixed everything. It's not totally done, but everything is unorganized. So I was gonna clean it right now and I thought, you know what, let me just show you guys and bring you guys along in my beauty room. That way you guys can help me clean my room. So I'm gonna be showing you guys really quick the whole mess and then the aftermath. Whew. Okay, so I have some purses, shoes, bags, some sprays, some boots, a chair. Are you guys ready to see my mess? Woo! So I've been just coming in here to film, do some TikToks or reels, because I'm really starting TikToks. I've been coming in here to do my makeup, lives, reels, and I don't know if it's every girl or it's just me, but every time that I do stuff, I'm always in a hurry and I really don't have time to clean my vanity, which I know is so wrong. I like to pick up like clothes and shoes because that's something that annoys me. That's something that annoys me. But when it comes to my makeup, my brushes and all that, I'm horrible at it. So I'm gonna show you guys really quick my little vanity desk. Look at this. Don't judge. Isn't that a mess? I know. Okay, now I'm gonna go show you guys my floors. Everything that's on my floor. So I'm actually just gonna start cleaning. I was gonna put all my hair stuff in there. Some boxes, a Shein package that I haven't opened. More unopened Shein stuff. More makeup. I think I here have my jewelry. Oh, I had bought a wig. That was my wig. But that was trash. That's some jewelry. Hair stuff. Eyelash box. Throw that in there. That's trash. And then over here have more bags. Some makeup. Some in some of these drawers. So I have some makeup in there. And then miscellaneous things. Up there I have some baskets, more purses, shoes, some more sprays, more Shein packages that I haven't opened. My paint, more Shein brushes. And then over here, some clothes there, some purses over there, some shoes over here, and then my closet that has my jeans. Cheers to cleaning. is all for my video. We'll see you guys on my next video.